We are going live on Facebook too. So give it a minute to start streaming and then we start screaming. Can you imagine a session starting with everybody screaming? That will be really funny. But today we're going to start with a joke. I was thinking about a suitable joke. And here's the joke. And you know what the joke is? The joke is there was this guy who was always looking for reasons to be happy. Now you're supposed to laugh because that's a joke. Because I have not come across anybody who is going around looking for reasons to be happy. Except for people, some crazy people like us, you see. So good morning, everybody, and very, very warm welcome to you on another wonderful day on this paradise called planet Earth. And here we are. And let's have a super session today. I mean, not that we don't have a super session every day, we do, but let's have even a more super, if there's such a word like wrong English, more super. So good morning. And let's start with our 100% silent laughter. I think that's a good way to start anything. In fact, the best thing to do is early morning, get up and do that. And our loved ones will look at us and say, hey, what's gone wrong with this guy? Bursting into spontaneous laughter. So when I say 1, 2, 3, we will all laugh 100%. So here I go. 1, 2, 3, start. So what a warm welcome for Kavita, who's just joined, and she must be wondering what's happening to these crazy people.
Good morning.
Good morning. You can join us in our silent laughter.
Yeah, if I know why you're laughing, surely.
There's no reason. We are generating laughter so that we can start the day right and be happy. You see,
Wow.
the power of happiness is in ourselves, and all we have to do is generate laughter. You don't have to hold back, you can just let go and start the day on a load of laughter. So welcome to Empowering Morning Conversations, Kavita. Thank you very much for listening to Anindita and joining us this morning. And let me
Thank
just
you.
quickly
Thank
tell
you for
you what.
inviting me to.
Oh, you're most welcome. And thank you very much. We are grateful for your participation. Now, Empowering Morning Conversations was started because we all felt that we are getting bombarded by so much negativity on all sides that we tend to get influenced by it. Okay, and it keeps programming us. So 24/7, imagine getting bombarded by negativity. So we need to do something about it, right?
True.
So we meet every morning to have these empowering conversations where we share, where we use some tools, some of them from Access Consciousness, and we ask questions and I share some distinctions. And at the end of the 1 hour conversation, we leave this virtual room empowered and having, generated perhaps a new point of view or a new reality to start our day right. So that's one of the things that we do. And the second thing is to help us get out of our default mode and start creating our life. So as you can see on this banner on top of my head, stop blaming and start living is the credo. And when we start doing that, then all of life comes to us with ease, joy, and glory. Now you're familiar with the formula or the magic mantra of Access, right?
Yes.
All
yes.
of life, like all of life.
Comes to me with ease,
Joy,
joy.
glory, all of life. You understand?
Yeah.
When we are in the default mode, we are always resisting and we are always reacting. And the reason we are doing that is because we are always judging. So when we get out of the default mode and we stop judging, then every experience becomes an opportunity to become a better version of ourselves. Every experience, which means all of life. Because life is nothing but one set of experiences followed by another set of experiences, followed by another set of experiences, followed by another set of experiences. That's all life is, isn't it? And what do? We spend our time judging it right and wrong, good and bad. So we pot all that. We say, hello, all of life, every experience. When I stop judging it, then I can get what's in it for me. Because there is something in it for me in every experience that is gifted to us. I believe that someone is gifting these experiences to us, or we are gifting these experiences to ourselves. Now, can you imagine that we are these infinite beings who choose to come and live in this reality on this planet Earth, in this little body? And why are we gifting ourselves this? An infinite being can choose anything. And this infinite being has chosen this. And having chosen this, then he wants to spend half his life reacting and resisting to things that he or she does not like.
Oh.
And who are we to like or dislike? Did God give us some sort of a yardstick to judge? No, it was our own conditioned, programmed, indoctrinated yardstick that we inherited. One of the things that we inherited is all the judgments that are being passed all the time. And at some point of time, to avoid other people's judgment of us, or to conform to or get accepted by them, or to fit into their reality, we also started judging ourselves. Oh, am I doing the right thing? If I do this, will they accept me? If I don't do this thing, they will not accept me, and blah, 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 blah. So this wonderful experience of life that comes to me moment by moment, half of it becomes about reacting to it, not responding to it. And most of the rest of it is spent in resisting it. Now, how do you know that we are resisting it? Because silently or openly, we are blaming, complaining, comparing, doing whatever it is that we do. And we would love to have a life which comes to us with ease, joy, and glory. And this morning, I'd like to remind all 14 of you, the rest are latecomers. And I just want to remind every one of you that you are a wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human being who deserves to be loved and respected for who you are. Loved and respected for who you are. And you can be loved and respected for who you are when there is no judgment. Even you can love and respect who you are when you stop judging. Good morning, Leena ji. So that's what we are doing here every morning. Now, all our beloved participants, would you like to add something to what I said? Why are we here every morning? Just a little bit to remind you also, why are you here every morning? So let's quickly hear from you. You can raise your hands and let's start with Rama. Why are you here every morning, Rama?
Sir, as the purpose of empowering morning conversation is to get empowered, to brush off the negativities and the impressions we get on a daily basis. So that's why I'm here every day.
Great. Garu?
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
In one of the sessions, you told us we are like gold mine, but we are not mining the gold.
Yes.
I'm here to learn how to do that.
Okay. You want to learn to mine gold
Yes,
from
sir.
your life. Wow.
Yes.
Fantastic. Wonderful. All right. Go ahead, Neeti ji. And then after that, we will have Gautam ji.
So, I come here every morning because I find answers to what is there in my mind. We take away a lot of learning and sharing from here. We bond with one another. And what is most impressive is you've always used plain, simple English language. that we all know and we've all used all through our lives in all these years. But suddenly the meaning of the words, the way they are used, the way they are explained, totally changes the meaning. The meaning of the words change and its application in our individual lives change. So I come here for all that change. Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you very much. Yes, Bhadraji.
Good morning, everybody.
Good
It's
morning.
it's motivate me in the whole day. I start after this conversation. It motivate me, think positive, do positive, and be positive. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to invite somebody to speak, even though she has not raised her hand. Sakshi ji, what brings you here every morning? To bring back the smile on your face. That's for sure.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. There are multiple reasons. I'll tell
Madam,
you.
सबसे पहला reason क्या है? To bring back the smile on your face. चेहरे पे हंसी छा जाती है, आंखों में सुरूर आ जाता है जब आप empowering morning conversation में आते हो.
Thank you so much. सबसे पहला reason है Rama sir. He invited me and he was telling me since very long. So I said, let me explore this. This must be good for me. So he's suggesting. Okay. Then continuing till now, there is one major reason that I'm getting something out of it. Now, what I'm getting is that actually I'm getting empowered. If there is something with which I'm dealing, or some challenge or some roadblock, so coming here, I get my answers. Subconsciously, I come to a realization that everything in life, like all these experiences are going to happen. There is no end to it. So it all depends on my mindset and how I react to it. That is which is in my control. So here I get a lot of insights and a lot of tools how to deal with it and how to go with a positive mindset and how to convert a challenge into my advantage. Thank you.
Thank you very much for sharing it. All right, anybody else? Yes, Sagar. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you realize that we have all age groups here, from the age of 20 up to, I think, 87 or something like that. Darshana ji, what is the maximum age we have got here? Never mind. Let's listen to what Sagar has to say.
I think it's 80.
80.
Oh, 80.
I thought Ashok ji was a little bit older, but he is much younger. He
All
says
right.
he's 75 plus.
Okay, great. So I'm a young one. I'm only 68 years old. Okay, Sagar.
Sir, for me, it's like a empowering thing every morning. I cannot just miss now, sir. It's really empowering. If I miss a point also here, sir, in my life, I find so many difficulties, sir.
Wonderful.
If you are not here for one day also, sir, I don't know why I feel so disconnected now.
All right, great. Thank you very much for sharing it, Gaurav. And when are you going back to Dubai, Gaurav?
Well, hopefully later this month. I've just moved into a new facility in Srinivaspuri today in Delhi with my mother. And there will be flexibility for me to travel a bit with Ma being taken care of here. So for me, this is like the morning charcha with or without tea, which gives me interesting insights. It's great to hang out early in the morning with different people, sharing their experiences, sharing their perspectives, and for me to have a conversation with myself, really. Like there are so many ideas. Everybody has so many ideas. It is about implementation. It's about doing. It's about being. And with the background I have with you, it's easy to connect and chart out things that need to be done and things I need to be to get things get those things done. Thank you, Sukhdeep.
Fantastic, fantastic. And thank you for being here. You know, it's good to have friends who've been there with us, with me in my transformational journey for years, right? We share a long journey together, like you and Abhinav and so many other people.
Right.
Okay. Okay. So you know what? I started today's session with a joke. And the joke was, there was this guy who was always looking for reasons to be happy. That's the joke. So you're supposed to laugh. Right? I mean, who's this crazy guy who's looking for reasons to be happy? So let's look for reasons to be happy. Have you noticed that we don't need much programming to start looking for reasons to be unhappy?
Yeah.
I mean, that seems to be a default mode. We'll find out 1,000 reasons to be unhappy. And when we don't have reasons to be unhappy, we are unhappy about that. Yaar, kuch gadbad hai. There's nothing, there's no reason to be unhappy. Arey, aaj hum khush hai. How long will this happiness last? People got a problem
What is
with
wrong
that.
with me that I'm
What is
happy
wrong?
today?
Yeah, and how long is this happiness going to last? There is a fear in that. When we are happy, we are afraid we will not be happy. And when we are not happy, we are afraid, why are we not happy? So as a rule, man is a fool. When it's hot, he wants it cool. And when it's cool, he wants it hot. Always wanting what is not. So you know what? Instead of finding reasons to be happy, let's take the easy way out. What are your reasons to be unhappy? Let's look at that first. I'm sure we got plenty of reasons to be unhappy, right? Yes, Sagar ji.
Sir, when people say me harsh words, sir, and when they say negative things, sir, I feel really, really unhappy when they respond with very angrily. I just cannot control myself, sir. When they throw the negativity, when they throw the negative words, how can I just keep silence? And I just cannot, sir. I just
So
not
tell me,
happy.
in that situation, if you are not judging that situation, what reason for being happy can you find in that?
If I do not judge, sir,
if you do not judge what that person is doing, what would be the reason for being happy in that situation where somebody is saying harsh words to you?
So when they say some harsh words to me, sir, I will automatically become unhappy, sir.
Well, you can always say कि कुछ तो दे रहा है ना. If somebody is giving something, it's always a reason to be happy, right? If you remove your judgment from it, yeah, he's speaking harsh words is a judgment, but he's speaking words which sounds harsh to me. And maybe he's trying to be harsh to me also. But I can always listen to it and say, thank you for this wonderful point of view. And thank you for waking me up this morning. Thank you. Maybe I needed to be woken up. You know?
Yes, sir.
ठंडा पानी फेंकते ना सुबह मुंह पे उठाने को कभी-कभी जब वो उठते नहीं है.
Right, sir. So now how do I respond, sir? Means I have to speak, or means when they say, or
when you are thinking, पहले तो दिल में सोचो ना, wow, thank you very much for this gift you are giving me, because he is taking the trouble to tell you, na.
Right, sir.
He can ignore you also, na. He can say, bloody idiot, you are doing stupid things. मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा, मर जाके. मैं क्यों बोलूँ तेरे को? He can do that also, na.
Yes, sir.
So if he's taking the trouble to give you a gift of his unwanted feedback or whatever it is that he's giving you, you can look at it. It's up to you how you want to look at it, right? You can
Yes.
see it as a gift, or you can see it as a disempowering talk somebody is doing.
Right.
So if you stop judging it, will you have a choice how you want to respond to it? Whether you say anything to him or not. So suppose you are saying nasty words to me, right? And I'm not judging it.
Okay.
And I say, wow, Sagar is giving me something. And I say, thank you, Sagar. I never thought about it like that. Thank you for your point of view, sir. I am grateful to you. So that gives me a choice of a response, right? Or I might respond in a slightly different way also. I'll say, wow, That's a wonderful input you've given me. But tell me, my friend, what would it take for you to give me the same input in a more pleasant manner? मतलब आप अपना खून क्यों ब्लड प्रेशर क्यों उत्तेजित कर रहे हो?
Right, sir.
You can say whatever you want to say, provided you're not judging it.
Okay.
You getting it? All right.
Yes.
Thank you very much. So that is one of your reasons for being unhappy. Great. Let's listen to somebody else. What are your reasons to be unhappy, which you keep finding all the time? Ek aur mil gaya. Reddy Garu, what are your reasons to be unhappy?
Not meeting my own expectations.
Yeah. So that should make you feel unhappy.
Yes, sir.
So when I don't meet my own expectations, I become unhappy. Why, sir?
Because I have some expectations in life which I'm not able to achieve on a day-to-day basis.
Yeah, but why you make yourself unhappy? That's all I'm asking you. I mean, let's find out now. What is the reason? So I never met my expectation. Sometimes I meet my expectation also, right?
Yeah.
So every time you meet your expectation, you do bhangra. Yay! I met my expectation. Yay! Yay! Do you do that?
Yes, sir. I do that, sir.
Really? Yay!
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you did not meet your expectation, also try to do that, no?
Okay.
I mean, what difference does it make? You are the fellow who's having expectation. You are the one not achieving expectation. You are the one punishing yourself for that.
Yeah.
Why is it necessary to punish yourself and be unhappy? Because some programming is there in our mind. No. When you are doing bad boy, then you should be unhappy. A lot of people say you are being bad and you are not also unhappy. What a shameless fellow you are. You have not achieved your expectation. You are feeling happy. Useless fellow you are. You are a shameless guy. All this shit you are saying, no?
Yeah.
I mean, if you are getting something out of it, please continue. Like somebody says, sir, unless somebody pokes, from behind, I don't get into action, sir. So you hire someone, no? Every time you don't achieve your result, you say, you poke me. Like, those bullocks are there in the village. Now they got this thing called a cattle prod. It gives electric, little, right? So if you feel that it inspires you, good for you. Yeah? Imagine if you are only saying, no, okay, my mechanism to make sure that I'm always motivated is when I don't achieve my target, then I give myself electric shock. Will it make you unhappy? You say, okay, I did not achieve my result. I punished myself. Finished. Then it won't make you unhappy, will it? But because why I'm saying this, I might be saying it in jest, but I'm seriously saying to you that by feeling bad, do you think you're being responsible?
Yeah.
Remember, we are studying that distinction in the Good to Great program.
Yeah.
Right? Because responsibility is not blame, shame, guilt, or even taking credit for what you're doing. Right? So the moment you're blaming yourself, you feel bad.
Yeah.
Right? So blaming is judgment, na?
Yes, sir.
So if you stop judging, then what? You'll say, okay, sometimes I fulfill my expectations, sometimes I don't.
Yeah.
And what else is possible? I mean, what should I do now? Or what possibilities are there now?
Okay.
Because in my life, many times I've said, oh my God, thank God that never happened. Now something better can be done, which I never thought before. If that one has happened, like I shared an example with you that at a time when I was in desperate need of business, right? Desperate means you can't imagine how desperate I was. And I had this contract for some 24,000 rupees, which was to be finalized. And I'd gone there to finalize it. And for some reason, that MD said, no, we decided we'll do next year. Yeah, so what is the immediate impact that will be there? Oh my God, now what is going to happen? Then I said, hey, maybe something better is supposed to happen. So by the time I got down from the 6th floor, sat in my car and started driving, I got a phone call from a place which is just 2 kilometers. You know, if you're familiar with Delhi, I was in Nehru Place. I got a call from Okla from the Airtel office. कि मलवाई साहब क्या कर रहे हो, आप क्या कर रहे हो? मैंने कहा कुछ नहीं, बोलो मैं इधर पास में ही हूँ, आ जाओ. I went there, I walked away with an 8 lakh contract and an advance also. Right? Because I was feeling disappointed. Instead of getting angry, I just said, okay, I mean, fine, maybe something better is. So I was not feeling bad. I was not feeling happy, nothing. I was open to possibility and the universe gave it to me. So sometimes better things can happen, you know.
Yes.
I lose 25,000 rupee order and I get a 8 lakh rupee order with an advance.
Yeah.
How does it get better than that? Yeah, thank you so much, Reddy Garu, as usual. Yes, Rama Garu and then Abhinav Garu after that.
Thinking about the past problems and linking to the current situations make me unhappy.
So
And of course,
thinking about
focusing on the problem instead of solution.
Thinking about past problem make you unhappy. Who's thinking about past problems?
My mind.
Achha, your mind only is thinking. Okay.
Right. Yeah.
So why you do that? I mean, if you know it makes you feel bad.
That's the default mode.
So that's why they say no, idle mind is a devil's workshop.
Right.
Nothing else to do, start thinking about the past.
Right.
So what if we start thinking about what else is possible and what can I create now? That's why these questions from Access are so powerful, right?
Yeah.
What else is possible and what should I do now? Right?
Yeah.
Great. Thank you very much for sharing that. And Abhinav, and after that, Suchitra with the new name today, Arunachala Ramana. Abhinav.
Good morning, everyone. Pretty much everybody has covered what I wanted to say, but I was thinking, Faisal, let me say it. So, there are two things which make me unhappy. First is, of course, people's low opinion about me, whether they say it or whether they show it on their face. So that makes me unhappy. And second, as gentleman before me says, my own judgments about myself. कि ये तो मैंने ठीक नहीं, I didn't do that right. I shouldn't have done that. That was very cheap on my part. So I should have done better. So all those judgments make me. So other judgment about me and my own judgments about me make me unhappy.
So would it be right to say that our default mode is designed to make us unhappy? Huh?
Absolutely.
Okay, so we'll have to.
So even sometimes other judgment about others, like my father has been saying, देखना पाकिस्तान वर्ल्ड कप जीतेगा. मैंने कहा कि why are you creating this reality? पाकिस्तान वर्ल्ड कप जीतेगा. जब जीतेगा तब बोल देंगे जीत गया. अभी तो न्यूजीलैंड को जिता दो या किसी और को जिता दो, हम तो हार गए. That also makes
ये बोलो कि सर भगत लोग अगर सुन लेंगे
तो
आपको अटैक करेंगे सोशल मीडिया में, ऐसे बोलो. जॉब चली गई है ऐसा बोलने के लिए.
हाँ. आप इतने पावरफुल हो कि ऐसी रियलिटी क्यों क्रिएट कर रहे हो? मैं उसे बोलता नहीं, मन में सोचता हूँ सच ए पावरफुल पर्सन दैट यू वांट टू क्रिएट दिस रियलिटी. इंडिया तो हार जाएगा, देखना. इंडिया तो
अनडिलीवर्ड कम्युनिकेशन पैदा कर रहे हो.
हाँ.
इनकम्प्लीशन पैदा कर रहे हो.
एग्जैक्टली. और ये जॉब उसको तो नहीं मिलेगी. ही विल से कोई समवन इज अपिंग फॉर ये इसके बस की नहीं है. मैं कहा जब नहीं मिलेगी तब नहीं मिलेगी, अभी आप क्यों बोल रहे हो? तो इवन people negative opinion about other world at times that makes them happy as well.
So that is their default. So sometimes other people's default mode makes us unhappy.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. Great. So let us hear what Suchitra has to say. Suchitra, you will have to unmute your video. Otherwise, we'll think that the mountain of Arunachala wants to talk to us.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah, can you hear me?
We can see you and hear you both.
Yeah, right, sir. So what makes me unhappy is that I have seen a trail of geniuses who have been destroyed by their own intensity.
Okay,
and
so
they don't know. I mean, they are people I love deeply, but they are not able. They are not able to do things that normal people are able to do so easily and effortlessly, which is to get a handle on their emotions. And so that's one thing that makes me very unhappy. And also when I see, when I intuitively feel that I'm being judged as something that I am not at all. So, and I'm not able to counter that. So that makes me unhappy, sir. When it hits me that this is how I'm being judged, but I don't know how to address that.
Yeah, when you don't agree with their judgment of you.
Yeah.
And when you agree with their judgment of you,
that doesn't leave much of a mark, sir. But the other one nags. And also my own yeah, I go into great detail that in microseconds, if I had reacted in this particular way, then life would have been completely different. So I get into that kind of loop.
but tell me, this sad story of geniuses, why does that make you unhappy?
Sir, I don't know why. I look to them as I'm instinctively drawn to them as role models. But when I dig beneath the surface, they were just destroyed by their intensity. They were completely threw common sense to the winds in pursuit of that.
So are you willing to be like Thomas Alva Edison?
Sir, he was very he was an example of a genius who had a hold on his emotions. Sir. He was very balanced. But the opposite
there
is
is one
Tesla.
particular example, you know. See,
yeah,
he failed so many times in making the filament.
Yeah.
And somebody asked him, how do you feel that you failed so many times? He says, who says I failed? I learned 3,982 ways of how not to make a filament. So every time you look at these, you know, geniuses who, you know, destroyed themselves or the world destroyed them, you can say, wow, I've learned so many ways in which I am not going to destroy myself. I can be the eccentric genius that I wish to be, and I will learn how to manage my life. And by the way, you're doing that very well already.
Thank you, sir. So what I feel is that they are like this huge balloon, or you can say a mountain that was filled by some unexpected pinprick, some little thing, and got the whole thing down. So that sometimes makes me unhappy when I read about it or
yeah. So what was missing for them? See, I am dealing with one such genius who's my guru, who trained me to be who I am, right? And at this particular age is struggling in life because that person did everything except become self-sufficient. Okay. So what is, when we use the word saksham, what does it mean? Does anybody know the meaning of that saksham?
Proficient. Enabled.
Able.
Whole and complete. Now you may be a genius, but you are not saksham. You understand?
Capable, able.
Matlab, you do not know how to make a cup of tea for yourself. You do not know how to order groceries for yourself. You do not know how to pack your own luggage. You do not know that you should remember to take your keys of the house when you go out. But you're a genius. Right? You're a genius, but you can fly off the handle, you know, and cause whatever damage it does at that moment. You can be a genius and, you know, you cannot organize your own house, for example, and so many other practical things. So then we are very condescending and say, no, they are geniuses are like that, you know. So we create a reality that geniuses cannot master living in the practical domain, right? And that's how we treat a lot of children who are, you know, geniuses, because they haven't mastered living in this reality. And instead of, you know, giving them, what shall I say, context that yes, they too can master it, but in their own time, we label them and say that they are disabled,
Yeah.
Further adding to, the aura that they cannot, and then they fall into the trap that they cannot.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So we do that with ourselves also, no?
Yes.
Suppose we start believing, no, I can do everything, but these little practical things, I cannot do that. I cannot. They actually believe they can't do that. And they have done such things. They have built businesses, they have earned crores of rupees, and they've done everything. But as far as the little things are concerned, they believe I cannot do that. Are you getting that?
Yes.
So what can the person himself or herself do? And what can the people who surround them do? Right? And the people whom we surround ourselves with, we can teach them a few things. We can request them for a few things. Right? Like, I used to be on a lot of pressure of work and too many people asking me for favors, and I don't like to say no to people. So I would say yes, and then I would forget. Right? So then I had no shame in telling them, hey, listen, I would love to do what you're saying, but I'm going to forget it. So will you remind me? Can you send me a mail saying that, I need to do this for you? Now, 80% of those people who were not serious about what they wanted, and I was low-hanging fruit, they disappeared anyway. They didn't ask me. No use. You get it? The rest of them, I was actually able to help because I was struggling in a particular area in the practical sense. And I had no shame in eliciting that support from those people, but to make sure that I do it. If there is one that you can master the art of getting things done from other people. Right? Some of these geniuses are good at doing that. So every little thing, if they had their way, somebody will come and put food in their mouth also. Because they're good at getting other people to do. But there comes a point of time, what happens if there is nobody there to do anything for you? Have you trained yourself to do it yourself? No. If you have not, then you are not saksham, no? So what if we relate, those people failed at that, agreed. But we don't have to do that, right?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
So that's the advantage of a support structure that we have here, where we come every morning and we can ask that support.
Yeah.
So when you shared what you shared, it opened up so many things for so many of us.
Yes.
The fact that we even discussed this particular aspect of life.
Yes.
Because everything said and done, बोलते हैं ना मुकम्मल जहां किसी को नहीं मिलता, मतलब it doesn't. Everybody needs to work on something or the other, which they may be blind to.
Yes.
And nobody told them.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Right. So when you people come and share here, many people start realizing, oh, I'm also doing this. Right. So that's why I love these empowering morning conversations, because I realize a lot of things too.
Yes.
Because every morning is a great learning experience for me.
Yes.
Because I'm not here to give gyan only, I'm also there to receive. Na?
Yes.
And I hope everybody is here for the both reasons, giving as well as receiving. Some people are, of course, very magnanimous and they will give their gyan in terms of sharing and questioning. Some people only want to take, that's fine. We are in allowance of that. And that barb is directed to people who choose not to speak at all. Right? They don't want to share, they don't want to question, they don't want to add value, they only want to receive. So that's fine. But if you can, or do you think you cannot? If you think you can't add value, I'll be surprised. And you don't know that you can add value if you wanted to. All right. So let's move to the next part of today. Come back to what reasons can you find right now in your life to be happy? And I want each and every person to share 4 or 5 points about what reasons are there now in our life for us to be happy. Yes, Mr. Sagar Acharya.
Sir, first reason is this empowering morning conversation. I really enjoy, sir, being here and listening to you and saying my things. And second, sir, I make videos. I get the knowledge, wisdom from here, and I share this wisdom and knowledge in my TikTok accounts and in my Facebook. and I make the videos. I'm really happy when I make the videos, and I have really good friends. They love me, and my father and mother very support me. They are very supportive. These are the reasons, sir. These are the reasons to be happy.
These are some reasons. There are some reasons, but there are many more. And now we know everybody on this call has to master the art of being able to see all the reasons that are there for us to be happy. Okay. Yes, Abhinavji, what are the reasons for you to be happy today?
So, first reason to be happy is my daughter, that she is doing so well in life. And I thought पता नहीं क्या होगा जब बड़ी होके प्यार भी करेगी. But when I was down with COVID, she took really good care of. I mean, everybody was down with COVID. My father, me, and my wife, and she took very good care of all three of us. And we were surprised by her energy and the amount of work that she did. Maybe sleeping for 4 hours and itni sari dawaiyan and taking care of 3 ill people. So that is one big reason for me to be happy. Number 2 is that I thought कि पता नहीं मैं नौकरी कर पाऊंगा नहीं कर पाऊंगा 20 साल के बाद. So I am doing pretty well in my job. Almost everybody is saying yes to me. Almost I'm saying हाँ. So which is quite a surprise क्योंकि मुझे सबका नो सुनने की आदत पड़ गई थी.
So lots of reasons to be happy, right?
Lots of reasons to be happy. And then there are many other reasons. I'm so happy to, one of the reasons I'm happy is I'm looking at you, that what difference you are making. And I've seen you going through different stages of life, and where are you right now? It's a big, see, when you live in Delhi, it is like कि हर चीज पैसे के लिए होती है भैया यहाँ तो. हर चीज पैसे के लिए आदमी करता है. That is the conversation. And then I struggle with it. Like if I do something good, and then if people see it, they will be after me, तुमने ऐसा क्यों कर दिया? तुम तो पागल हो. Here you are, giving 1 hour of your life every day. And then I know 1 hour के पीछे शायद 1 hour की तैयारी भी है. And that is a big, huge motivation for me. That there are things that you do to make this planet a better place, and for which you may not get cash. Who cares?
Yeah, you get something far more valuable than
Far
cash.
more valuable than that. Absolutely.
और ऐसे भ्रम में मत रहना. You do get cash also.
You do get cash also. Absolutely. आपके पास reference आते होंगे from this group.
अभी हमारे पास रेड्डी गारू जैसे लोग भी हैं. उनका मूड होता है वो एक चेक काट के भेज देते हैं.
क्या बात है? हाँ, but you are not expecting it, ना? You did not strategize to. You did not strategize with 1 hour so that you get cash.
No, definitely.
Yeah.
But I'm saying that the world always gives you. Willing to receive.
Willing to receive. Absolutely.
A lot of us, people who are givers like you and me, we are sometimes not willing to receive. That's why we don't receive.
Yeah.
अगर हम बोलते हैं ना आपको मिलता नहीं है, we are not open only. हमको लगता है
we are not open.
We'll be small, छोटे हो जाएंगे अगर हम receive करेंगे तो. जितने खुले दिल से आप देते हो, उतने ही खुले दिल से लेने वाले बन जाओ तो आपको मिलता ही रहेगा लाइफ में.
Right, Sandeep.
खुले दिल से लेने वाले हैं नहीं.
हाँ.
That is what we were inquiring about the other day.
Absolutely.
The day before yesterday or something like that.
I want to analyze and be logical about things. जबकि वो क्या कहावत है ना, भगवान जब देता है तो छप्पड़ फाड़ के देता है, कभी भी कुछ दे सकता है.
Okay, let us give Reddy Garu a chance to speak.
I have main reason to be happy is I am alive at this moment. Nothing else.
Yeah, that's one of the good reasons. That's always a reason, right? You can be thankful every moment of your life and say, wow, I'm still alive. I have reason to be happy.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you very much. All right. What about other people? Reddy Garu ne bhi bol diya, Abhinav ne bhi bol diya. Other people, come on, be generous. Share. What are your reasons to be happy?
Good morning.
Good morning, Ji.
Samina here. I'd like to share the 5 reasons why I'm happy today.
Okay.
So my first one was that, you know, I attended a session which I was very keen in attending. And what happened, I set up a goal right now.
Okay.
And that goal seems so attainable, not only with the energy, but also with the intention, you know, that just a miracle happened yesterday. One of the students, you know, I told him, why don't you start on Tuesday? But he couldn't come. So he came yesterday and he just handed over the keys to me. I don't even know him. He doesn't know me. Yeah, maybe he's got my reference from whosoever. But I was so, and I told him, since you have come, why don't you even study half an hour with me? But he says, no, no, ma'am, thank you, but I don't have time. I come on Saturday. So I felt, oh wow, there were people like that, you know. Till now, I've never faced such a lovely encounter where, you know, people will come home and give you the money and not even attend the class that day. They know that she'll take up and she will fulfill.
Great.
But yeah, like so that was the biggest, and that propels me to believe myself that I will finish my target by 10th December. I have said.
Thank you. Samina speaking, isn't it? All right. So next we will have Sakshi ji. What are your reasons to be happy? Somebody's
There
mic
are
is making
multiple
a noise.
reasons. There are multiple infinite reasons for me to be happy. First and foremost, I'm alive, as somebody said on the platform. Yeah, that itself is very much a reason to be happy, glad, and elated. So being alive and being healthy, being able to feel all the emotions and express myself is one of the major reasons that makes me happy. Then secondly, my relationship, my daughter, my mother. I'm very lucky to have a mother like this. And all my friends, my brother, bhabhi, all these relationships, which really makes me get going and makes me feel proud and happy and alive. So this is very important to me. So that's what makes me happy. Thirdly, my creative expressions. So that I can say that makes me tick. Whatever I do creatively makes me really happy and feel like I'm in a bliss when I'm able to express myself, maybe writing a poetry or creating something as simple as a lantern for Diwali. So this all really makes me happy. And fourth thing, what makes me happy is when I'm able to effectively manage my time. So at the same time, there is an element of frustration when I feel that I'm wasting my time. So yes, if I feel, okay, I'm making optimum use, everybody has got certain equal time being given by God. So if we are wasting it, it creates frustration. And if I'm able to use it effectively, it really makes me happy.
Okay, so frustration is the cattle prod you use on yourself to motivate yourself to make better use of your time. क्या बात है? क्या करना है frustration को लेके? वैसे ही कर लिया करो. Better time use.
Yeah, better be effective, better use every minute, every second to optimum rather than wasting it and then regretting it.
Yeah, why make yourself feel? I mean, why do you need to feel bad so you can do something better? You do it better or you don't do it better. बट वो बैड वाला एलिमेंट क्या है ना, बचपन से प्रोग्रामिंग है. बच्चे तुमने गलती किया है, तुमको मिजरेबल फील करना चाहिए. बट यू नो व्हाट द ब्रेन थ्योरी सेज, व्हेन यू आर फीलिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड मिजरेबल, द रैशनल ब्रेन डजंट वर्क कंप्लीटली. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ लुकिंग फॉर पॉसिबिलिटीज कि हाउ टू मेक श्योर दैट आई डोंट डू इट नेक्स्ट टाइम, यू आर वेस्टिंग टाइम इन रिग्रेटिंग. सो दैट इज द थिंग यू नीड टू वॉच आउट फॉर.
Yes. Yeah, but of late I've developed the habit to snap out of it, come to a realization with mindfulness, okay, this is what is frustrating me or getting me into negative zone. Henceforth, I promise I will not do that and just come out of the situation.
All right.
So I'm working on it.
Thank you. And Suchitra, hang on a second. I want to listen to Kavita because she's becoming a little bit restless right now.
After that, Hasina.
Yeah, after that, Hasina. But where is her hand raised? I cannot see it.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead, Kavita ji. You wanted to say something, right? Yeah, Kavita is going to speak. After that, Hasina. After that, Suchitra. Now, Kavita, you need to unmute yourself before you speak.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you are.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. First of all, thank you for this wonderful opportunity. What really makes me happy is knowing that universe has my back.
Of course it does.
Yeah. So many a times you forget that, because this Diwali, I just remembered one day before Diwali, I was feeling very sad because my husband was not, like, he had lost his job in COVID, and and I was like, "Arey yaar, Diwali mein, no bonus, no money, no salary and all that." And 1 second, I just sat with myself and I asked, "What is this?" And I just suddenly remembered that COVID mein, there are so many people who have lost loved ones. There are so many people who have lost so many things. So at that moment, I recognized that I had so much gratitude, and that effect is still there.
Okay.
So I feel the biggest thing that each one of us is having a life and having our loved ones around you alive. Seeing them alive, it's a big thing, because I met so many people who have lost so many people during COVID, and that's such a, and we don't value them when they are there, and then we just take them for granted. We feel they're going to be there with us all the time, and that's why it makes me happy. At least that realization, and tools like, and to get this to do programs with Access and get that knowledge time to time, and so you feel that universe is always working with you, for you, even when you are not aware and you are not being in gratitude for that. And like suddenly from nowhere, I have Anandita telling me join this club, and like it's such a beautiful conversation. Like, it is not something that you don't know, but every time you need, it's like a reminder.
Absolutely.
And I'm so thankful that you're generously doing that. I'm so happy and so glad to be here.
Oh, I enjoy it. I mean, I get energized by all you wonderful people.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank
That's
you.
all I
Thank you.
have to say.
Thank you. Yes, Hasina ji.
So I have 3 reasons to be happy today. My grandson is not going back to Calcutta to his college,
Okay.
which I was dreading. The second reason is that I'm healthy now. And the third reason is that I have joined 3 minutes yoga, which is making me really happy.
Yay. I'm so happy that you did that. Great. Thank you very much. Okay. And Suchitra ji, Arunachala Ramana.
So right now, the reasons I have to be happy is that the next week I will be going to Tiruvannamalai and staying for a week during the Kartikai Deepam, and
Wow,
be
wow,
able
wow.
to go around the mountain twice a day, and also meet many of my friends. And I'm also getting a lot of friends from unexpected quarters, friendships without agenda who are very affectionate to me. That makes me happy. And also being able to give bar sessions to my mom and to Mithru whenever I meet him, and all this keeps me happy.
And don't forget the foundation tools that you learned. You have to do them every day, remember?
Yes.
That.
Yes.
Great. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
Okay, so it looks like we are coming to the end of the session. We've got only 5 minutes left. So I'd love for the other silent ones to share with us what are your reasons for you to be happy today. Hello.
I have shared the group with chat options.
Yeah, Priya, your signal is very bad. Yeah. थोड़ा जगह में जाओ जहाँ से signal clear है.
Listen, anyone, so I have to keep my phone near my ear so that I can listen.
No, we cannot make out anything. what you're saying. Can you put it in the chat box, please?
Yeah, she did it. She already sent it.
Yeah, let's see. I'll read it out. Can you read out what she put in the chat box? Rama, can you read what Priya put in the chat box?
Yes. First one is family. As I am moving ahead in my life, I'm realizing the love of my family members towards me. What all they gave, done for me, I started acknowledging that. Second one, EMC. I learned a lot here and then I apply it in my life. And I'm happy to see those small changes in my life, making my life worth living. Every day I find a reason to live my life fully. The third one, I'm ready to receive, be it anything. One day I made a wrong statement and few staff members laughed. And in that laughter, they shared the correct piece of information. I saw it this way, that in that laughter, they gave me a new information. Ooh, these people around me are so humble. That shift of state of mind is great. Fourth one, my crazy friends. No matter how disconnected I feel, they are always there by my side. Fifth one, my new job, teaching me a lot of things. हर दिन कुछ नया सिखाती है.
हर दिन कुछ नया सिखाती है. Okay. Wow. Thank you for sharing that, Rama, on behalf of Priya. And Kuldeep ji, good morning and time for your shairi, I suppose.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning. I am happy because after this temporary challenge, I am here less than 2 months, contrary to the opinion of many people.
Yeah.
And I want to say some 2 lines on myself, which is also a reason to be happy. कि लकीरें तो हमारी भी कुछ खास हैं. लकीरें तो हमारी भी कुछ खास हैं, इसीलिए तो आप जैसे लोग हमारे साथ.
I'm not going to translate this. Shakshi is also a poet, she should translate it. Sakshi ji, करिए translate और अगली बारी आपकी शायरी भी सुनेंगे.
I try. By this, Kuldeep ji means that I'm fortunate. My lines in my hand are special. That is only because all of you are by my side. Am I right, Kuldeep ji? You want to add something to it?
My lines are there. The offshoot of my lines are that people like you are with me.
Great, fantastic. Thank you very much. And Ashok ji, there you are. Good to see you. You are muted, sir. We can't hear you.
Sorry, I joined just maybe 2-3 minutes back, but I do it, from whatever the 4-5 sentences I have heard, I can say that it's not only a pleasure, but it's a gift to be a part of AEMC every morning, and it does give challenge to live life happily, look forward, and even if the circumstances are bad, we look at it. Oh, this is also one of the ways. Okay, fine, thank you. I did not know it, and then we move forward.
Everybody is answering one question. I'll ask you to answer it also. What are your reasons to be happy today?
My reason to be happy today is that I'm part of EMC. What else is required? It gives the elixir for the whole day. No medicine, nothing, no tonic, nothing is required. You see the 25 faces and how they express, and you get the required all the vitamins to make sure that you are successful every day. Yeah, sure.
Great.
I'm proud to be part of it, and get different views. The same situation can be looked from the different angle. We look from one angle, and those angles are also equally important because somebody is having a look at it that way, and they do find answers.
Great. Thank you. We're missing Ratanji these days. I think he's not able to get up early in the morning.
Winter has started in London. Maybe it is snowing also now.
Yeah. So they have that different time now. He has to
Yeah,
get
yeah.
up at 1 o'clock in the night
1 hour
earlier. But jaldi
Yeah.
उठ के जल्दी सो भी सकते हैं ने. Anyway, we'll start with it. All right. Thank you very much. And thank you everybody for your participation today. And we look forward to seeing you again tomorrow morning. Rama, you please stay. The rest of you, I will see you tomorrow morning.
Just one second, Sukhdeep Sirji. Yesterday we were meeting in our Dignity Chai Masti Center, and everybody was interested because some topic came and everybody was interested to know what is this EMC all about. So I need one paragraph as to the objectives or something like this, which can be given to our members. We are 60, 70 strong. We represent 15 languages from India, and it's a multifaceted activity where everyone who has done something in life only can know what is the pleasure to be a senior citizen and part of that group. So everybody is an achiever there.
Yeah,
And
we'd love
from that point of view, they would like to know what is this EMC about? What is the object? What do they do? Etc. etc. Just a one paragraph introductory.
एक तो सिंपल तरीका ये है कि आप उनको YouTube का वो लिंक दे दो, वो जाके देख सकते हैं. Number 1.
Magar, if you give me, I will take a printout and distribute in the class. So
नहीं, वो हम बना देंगे. I will. Neeti, can you
please.
write something, please, based on the slides which you have seen?
Sure, sir.
Yeah, please make it. I will take a printout and distribute in the class.
Rama and you, can you handle that, please?
Will do, sir. Will do.
All right.
Yes.
So
We'll
Thank
do
you.
that, yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
see you all tomorrow morning. Have a
Yeah,
wonderful
sure.
day. God bless you.
Thank you.